So, viewers, this is our tea. It has cooled down. Mm. This is Lantana Kamara tea. It's very good. Hello, beautiful people. Thank you for joining us. This is our Lantana Kamara. Okay, so we are going to show you how we want to prepare this Lantana Kamara tea. So we want to prepare the tea. So e have some chuku for body. You see the stick. You can see the stick very well. You can chook person. E has flour in case you are looking for the leaf. See the flour in Lantana Kamara. Okay, so we are going to show you how you want to use this to prepare tea. If you want to prepare it, you have to be careful because of the chuku. We have some like this green one. It's not good to eat direct. This one. So we have to process it like this. The benefit of this leaf is very good for it's good for malaria, diarrhea, cough. If you have cough, you can take it so that it will enter my pot. Because of the shuku, it's too sharp. So it's okay like this. It's okay like this. I want to add more water. So viewers, this list is very good. If you have tuberculosis, it's very good to for it. Prepare it as I'm preparing this tea. If you have it in your compound, and it's good for brain. If some people may have they may forget some things. So this leaf will make you to remember things very well, and it's good for children that want to be smart. Okay, if you want your children to be smart in school, you can be preparing this leaf for them. We have some chuku but some people may have it in their compound. They will cut it away, and this leaf you need to protect it with some things inside your garden. Just keep it, leave it, and you can plug the leaf too. If you don't want to touch the stick, plug it like this, and the stick too have benefit on with the leaf. So you have to do it the way I'm preparing it. Thank you very much. So we are going to allow the tea to cook very well. Thank you. So the tea is ready. So, So like this one now, I will add water in it. Wow, this is nice. This is our Lantana Kamara tea. You see? So I'm going to allow it to cool down and take it. So this one, I will not on the fire. I will continue the process in the same thing like this. Thank you for watching. So viewers, this is our tea. It has cooled down. Mm. This is Lantana Kamara tea. It's very good. Wow. It's not bitter like that, but it has some scent. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to share and like, comment. Bye bye. Subscribe. Bye. Very